Open the Blender, select all and delete everything. In Edit section, enter into the preferences and select add-on, and here type tree and check the sampling tree add-on. Now press Shift A and curve, select this and open this menu, and here select branch radius, and here you increase the size of the radius, then select leaves and show the leaves. Beautiful. Now apply material, enter into the material section, also into the material viewport, and select material like a stem and decrease this value, and select the leaves and select another material, leaves, green material. Now the tree is ready. So in this way you can easily create tree in just 1 minute. Thanks for watching.